Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tamara. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining the On The Go family. If you are new to my channel, this is your girl Tamara. If you have not yet met me, you can watch some of my other videos where you can see your girl up close and personal. So you guys, I am unboxing this new Whirlpool water dispenser that I recently bought while it was on sale. And to be honest, I tested it first before I decided to publish this unboxing video, and I am so in love with it. And I'm pretty sure that once you guys have watched the video, you will also fall in love with it and want to get one for yourself as well. So watch to the end of this video, and I hope that you enjoy what I am showing, and you will be motivated to go out and perhaps get one for yourself if you're interested, that is. Alright you guys, so this Whirlpool water dispenser that I have here, it's silver and black. Also it has a, I would say more like a mirror reflecting kind, the aesthetics of it, the front is more like a reflective mirror, so it's very glossy, very easy to clean. It stands about 2.5 feet tall, so that will be somewhere maybe around 30 inches tall, and it does have a red button at the top. As you would realize, I'm pointing at that button right now. This button, you have to slide it across and then push it down in order to get the hot water. So it acts as a, I would say, more of a safety device, because sometimes if it wasn't color coded, that's one, and if it didn't have that slide across there, if you have small children who are unaware, they perhaps would go there and pull the button down, as my one has done before, and then they probably would get burned because this water gets really hot. So this button acts as a safety precaution. So when you want hot water, you have to slide it across and then pull down, which I love about this water dispenser, y'all. The outer area where you dispense the water, it does have a tray there, just in case there is a little spillage. You do have a tray that catches the water that you can easily remove and pour out that water into the sink. So that is pretty good as a feature for the product as well. So this is a bottom load water dispenser, which is what I love about it, to be honest, because I never liked the aesthetics of the top load water dispenser where the water is just turned upside down and put into the top where everything is exposed. I'm not really into those ones. I like to have the water discreetly put away, especially because I have children around, so it's not directly in their vision. So if it's not there, they tend to not mess with it so much. You have to open the door and then you would put the water bottle in, and this is a 5-gallon water bottle, and that tends to last like a week or so, sometimes maybe a week and a half, and it does pretty well. So the temperature goes up about, for the hot water, it goes up to over 90 degrees. I think it goes further, but I would have to go through the booklet that comes with it, the instruction guide, to see exactly what the temperature goes up to, but it gets pretty hot. And then the cold water, I see where it goes down to at least 7 or 6. I'm not sure what is the lowest it gets to, but it really does get pretty cold. And then the one in the center, which is the normal temperature, water, it does get a little colder than I expected, but I usually tend to mix the normal temperature with a little bit of the hot to get more of a room temperature. So that works for me. Everybody else tends to just use the regular temperature that it's at, but it's cooler than is expected for room temperature. Just let's just put it that way. 1,900 followers, you guys, and I just want to thank you all for supporting my channel. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for subscribing. So please remember to hit the notification bell if you have not already done so. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Also, remember to leave a comment below and a thumbs up. And if you like these videos, please share, share, share. And I will see you all in the next one.